Welcome to a video on the law of diminishing returns. So, what is the law of diminishing returns? Well, it's a theory of short-run production, and it states that as more and more units are made, variable input such as labour are added into a fixed input such as capital, and after a certain point, the marginal product of the variable will begin to decrease. In other words, the additional output from using more labour will start to fall, but all the other factors will remain constant. So, let's take a hypothetical situation. A farm that cultivates wheat, and we're adding more labour to the production process. On the chart here, we can see the impacts of adding more labour to the total output of wheat. We assume that the farm has a fixed input of land and capital, such as machinery and buildings, and the only variable input is labour. And as we add more labour, you can see that the output goes from 0 to 10, 25 and then to 40. In other words, we can work out the marginal product of adding extra labour. The first unit of labour adds 10 units of wheat. The second unit of labour takes our output to 25, so that adds 15. And likewise, the third unit of labour also adds 15 units to production. However, after a certain point, in this case, the fourth unit of labour, the total output starts to increase at a diminishing rate. The fifth unit of labour only adds 5 extra units to output. So once marginal product starts to decline after a certain point, for example, the fixed input of land, capital becomes increasingly overburdened by additional labour units. Then we get diminishing returns. Now, how does diminishing returns affect the marginal cost of supply? Well, the concept is closely related to the marginal cost of supply, which is that the change in total costs when you increase